With Eclipse installed, now we need to install TestNG. TestNG is a framework which enables you to structure your tests. Cucumber, there's two different sorts of frameworks. There's TestNG and JUnit. Cucumber supports more JUnit than TestNG, but we'll still need to install TestNG into Eclipse because we can still use features of TestNG to enhance our overall Cucumber framework. So in order to install TestNG into Eclipse, we need to go into Help. We're going to go Eclipse Marketplace. Then what we're going to do is, when the search option here, we're going to type in TestNG, and then we're going to look for TestNG and install it. So we need this one here, so press install. And let that install. So I'm going to pause the video now. Once that's loaded, you're going to see these options here. So make sure all the tick boxes are enabled, and then we're going to click confirm. Just a quick note that JUnit is already installed within Eclipse, and that we're going to mostly be using JUnit, but still we're going to need to install TestNG anyway. So once that's accept it and click finish. Now let that install the new software. If you get the warning box here, press OK and let that continue to install. You need to restart Eclipse. So once Eclipse is restarted, we just need to check to see whether that TestNG was successfully installed. And there's a few ways that we can do this. So once Eclipse is fully up and running, and we go close this, then we go back to our project. What we can do now, if we go into one of these folders here and we click New, Other, to see whether TestNG is successfully installed, we should see the following option here. And if we click next here, you can see that some of the tags that TestNG comes bundled with. JUnit is very similar, but we're going to mainly use JUnit as previously discussed. But JUnit doesn't have as big of a library as TestNG. So once that's done, we know that TestNG is successfully installed.